Greetings everyone, David J. Kuhn with Qigong Awareness. I got Keith here. Say hello, Keith.
Hello.
All right. So we're inviting you to some 2025 workshops that we're going to be doing next year, primarily in Wilmington, North Carolina, but we might have a couple of other stops, okay? First class and course that I'm going to be teaching next year is Medical Qigong and the 8 Brocades for longevity. If you're an acupuncturist or massage therapist, you can get 15 CEUs for this course. That course is going to be on January 18th and 19th of next year, 2025. I'm also going to be teaching a second course, Medical Qigong for the peaceful warrior, calming the heart and mind, okay? This course is actually going to be taught right here in Wilmington, North Carolina, where we're standing right now, July 19th and 20, right up the road technically. Again, 15 CEUs for acupuncturists and massage therapists. We're going to be practicing Qigong, meditation, and Medical Qigong all weekend. It's going to be amazing. Hope to see you next year.